Hello everybody. You guys, you there's a heavy rain coming. As you can see right there, it's pretty gray. Over there, it's already started. So I have to quick put my rooster inside the shade, and you can hear, or maybe not. It has the sound. It also has thunder and lightning. OMG. It's gonna be a big heavy rain coming. Oh my god, now it started to drizzle. And it's huge. Oh my god. And the guys over there is already cranking their motorcycle to go home. Oh my you go guys. Here it is. Here comes the rain. Oh man. Here comes the rain. There you go. Oh my god. Kind of scary. It sounded scary. I hope it will last like, oh my god, it's 4 o'clock now. Hopefully it will finish in 30 minutes because Dave has to go to town. OMG. There you go. Oh my god. Oh my god. There you go. Oh man. Look at, you cannot see it anymore. Look. The other side of the mountain. OMG. The wind is starting to blow. You go guys. Yeah. So I'm inside the house because I'm scared to go out. Yeah. Very, very dark. There you go. There you go. OMG. Yan. Umulan-ulan. Yan guys, ulan. Ulan init. Mayroong araw doon. Pero dito itim. Dark this side. And this side is sunny. Look at that. Look at this water over there.